In order to build this boat, I'm going to need a platform. So I stopped by Home Depot and got some treated lumber, 2x6s and 2x4s, and some 1/2-inch plywood. The cinder blocks are for a different project, but as I was coming home, I realized I could have a different design, so I went back out and got some more 2x4s and also this load of Western red cedar. Welcome to the garage where I'm going to be building this catamaran sailboat. As you can see, it is quite full and I need to make room. After working all weekend, I have the garage mostly ready to start building the boat. Still need to clean out or take down those shelves, but here's the lumber cart. I'll probably need to get rid of some of these scrap pieces of wood on here to make room for the marine plywood. I have the wood that I've temporarily stacked here in the middle, which will form the platform for building the boat. And I have on top of this the cedar. This is 60 planks of Western red cedar, 1 inch by 4 inch by 10 feet long. And over here I've got the workbench. I need to clean off the top of that still, but it was my main task was just trying to get the center part, all of this out here, cleared out and ready to go. Reorganized the shelves, moved everything up against the walls, and it is mostly ready. The actual boat will sit on a platform that I'll build starting in this corner, going over to there, and all the way to the garage door here. So it'll be about 8 feet wide and probably about 20 feet long is the platform that I'm going to build here in the middle. And that will be the next task. All right, that's all for now.